Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use the copy as text function. The copy as text function is used to copy demographic data patient information, which can be pasted on another data patient file in a text field or note. The data information can be accessed from the diary screen by clicking on the debtors on the menu bar. It can also be accessed by clicking on a patient's booking and clicking on Data Edit in the sidebar. The data screen will open. You can copy any data information as text. Highlight the information you want to copy and hold in Ctrl+C on your keyboard. The selected text will now be copied. Navigate and click in the field where you want to paste the text you have just copied. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. The text will now be pasted in the selected area.